Hey, welcome back to Apex Fluency. Today, we're shadowing real, everyday conversations, the kind you'll actually use at a shop, a cafe, or just greeting someone on the street. Have you ever asked yourself, how can I finally speak English fluently? Well, the answer's right here. Shadowing may feel simple, but it's incredibly effective. It works because it builds real habits. It helps you think in English instead of translating, and it helps you sound natural without ever opening a grammar book. So listen to each sentence, then repeat it out loud. Try to copy not just the words, but the feeling behind them. Friendly, natural, relaxed. Let's start with something we all do all the time. Shopping. Excuse me, do you have this in a smaller size? What's the price on this one? Do you accept card payments? Could I get a bag for this, please? Is this item currently on sale? Could I try this on somewhere? Do you have this in another color? I'll take this one, thank you. Could I get a receipt, please? Thanks so much. Take care. 10 down. Now let's move somewhere a little more relaxed. Grabbing a coffee. Could I take a look at the menu? I'll go with a cup of coffee. Could you leave the sugar out? Mind if I sit here? Something here smells really good. Could I get some water as well? Do you have any seats by the window? This place has a really nice atmosphere. Could I get the bill, please? That was a lovely cup of tea. Great pace so far. That's 20 sentences down. Let's switch gears now and practice greeting people and making small talk. How's your day going so far? Good to run into you again. It's such a lovely day out. My morning has been pretty hectic. Do you visit this place a lot? It's been way too long since we talked. How's everything going with your family? I love catching up with you like this. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Let's keep in touch, okay? 30 sentences in. You're doing brilliantly. For our final set, let's practice phone calls and asking for directions. Sorry I missed your call earlier. I'll ring you back a bit later. Could you text me the address? I'm trying to find the bus stop. Which way is the nearest pharmacy? Could you repeat that a little slower? I think we got cut off for a second. Is there a shortcut through the street? How far is it from here on foot? Thanks for walking me through the directions. That's a full set of everyday English covering shopping, cafe visits, small talk, and getting around. And these are exactly the sentences that turn textbook English into real conversation. Practice this video again tomorrow and notice how much smoother it feels the second time. That's fluency building. One repetition at a time. Remember, fluency doesn't happen all at once. It happens quietly, sentence by sentence, the same way confidence does. If you finish this practice, write, "Today, I choose confidence over fear." In the comments, I'd love to see it. Subscribe to Apex Fluency for more real-life shadowing practice, and I'll see you